In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Lightning record page in Salesforce. This step-by-step guide will help you easily navigate through the Salesforce platform and efficiently set up your own record pages. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and head over to the Salesforce homepage. This can be done simply by typing in the URL or clicking on a bookmark if you have already saved it. Once you're on the homepage, look for the gear icon located typically at the top right corner, which signifies the settings menu. Go ahead and click on the gear icon to reveal more options. Now in the settings menu, you will see an option called Open Advanced Setup. Click on it to access the more detailed configuration options. This will open up a new setup page. Once you're in the setup area, use the quick find box on the left-hand side to search for Object Manager. Typing it into the box should bring up Object Manager as an option. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Inside the Object Manager, you will find a list of objects that you can manage. Take a moment here to decide what subject or object you want to create a record page with. For the purposes of this guide, let's assume you want to work with Contact. So click on Contact from the object list. Once you've selected Contact, you'll need to find and click on Lightning Record Pages in the list of options presented. This is where you'll create your new custom page. Here, you're presented with a button labeled New. Click on that and give it a moment to load. After it has loaded, click on Next to continue. Now you have the option to enter a label name. This name will identify your custom page, so choose something descriptive that reflects the content or purpose of the page. Once you've entered a suitable label name, click on Next again to proceed. At this stage, you will have the opportunity to choose what header layout you prefer for your record page. Select the one that best fits your needs, then click Done to lock in your selection. Next comes the fun part, designing your page. You can drag your desired components from the list and drop them into the middle section of your layout. This allows for customization and flexibility in terms of what information users will see. Once you are satisfied with your setup, look for the Save button and click it to ensure all your efforts are preserved. After saving, an activation dialog will appear. Click on Activation, then click Save once again. Finally, you may be prompted with an option to skip and save. Just click this option to finalize your changes. Congratulations! You've successfully created and activated a Lightning record page in Salesforce. This user-friendly guide has given you the essential steps to personalize and enhance your Salesforce experience. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to explore more and customize other objects to best suit your specific needs.